Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer the money from your Google Play balance to your Cash App. So let's get started. So if you open your Google Play Store, okay, so if you see here on the right side top as your section, account section, payment and subscription, click on payment method. If you see here, it will show your balances. So if you have balance here and if you want to transfer into your Cash App, so it can't happen because once you have added into your wallet on your Google Play balance, so it can be only used in the games. So you can just purchase into the games and you can spend it. And this is how to transfer the money to your Google Play balance to your Cash App. And if you have any questions related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.